Anything where there's flow involved, that's what I'm interested in. I grew up in Recklinghausen in Germany. Basically spent all my youth there. I loved playing basketball, I loved playing baseball. Model airplanes, RC airplanes, that's something that I was very interested in when I was young. Then spent a year in the States as an exchange student. After graduating from high school, then I did my undergrads in mechanical engineering with a specialization in aerospace engineering in the Technical University in Aachen. I initially wanted to become a pilot, but then my vision, my glasses kind of prohibited that. But that's how I got interested in aerospace engineering. I then stayed on and did my PhD as well in the area of turbulent combustion. My field of research is mostly two-phase flows. So how do liquids break up? And in aerospace engineering, the applications for that are in engines. We look at the process of how an injected fuel stream breaks up and forms a fuel spray that then evaporates, mixes with the air, and then finally combusts. What interests me most is numerical methods to make those simulations happen. In aerospace engineering, these fuel sprays are one application. In mechanical engineering, that would be more IC engines. One PhD student that I co-advised, he was working on cardiovascular flow, an area that I hadn't worked at before. The work with him kind of got me into this field and got me interested in cardiovascular flows as well. I like most interacting with students, talking to them, interacting in the class, but as well in office hours. The way that the classes are structured in Germany is quite different, that it's all lecture and office hours were kind of unheard of. At some point it clicks and there's an aha moment that says, oh yes, this works, this is why it works, and this is what I can do with it. When students reach that point, that's kind of exciting.